So guys, it's another slow weekend. Keandra and I are gonna go to the mall, get some steps in. We decided to get cute today to get some steps in because we just want to wear cute dresses. It's kind of warm outside. I think it's like 66 degrees. So we wanted to take advantage of the warmer weather. Hate that winter is leaving. Y'all, the year is going by so fast. Anyway, but we're gonna get something to eat. I want Shake Shack, so we're gonna get Shake Shack today. And I wanted to quickly show you guys my perfume. I am wearing two things today. So you guys know I recently got this Cloud Musk by Bar from Target. So I really love this. Y'all, this smells so good. Somebody said that, I think it was Wendy, our subscriber Wendy. She said that she wears this. This reminds her of You by Glossier. It does not remind me of You. It has like a warmer scent. I mean, obviously everybody smells things differently, but it doesn't remind me of You, but they pair well. So I see why she pairs them. She layers them together. So I see why she does that. But then I'm also wearing my new Peaches and Roses by Lancôme. Y'all, this smells so good. I was like, I said I was gonna wait until spring to wear this, but I decided to pull it out because like it's a spring day. It's like spring adjacent. I think March brings in spring, so tomorrow's March 1st. We only have about 23 more days. It's time. It's time to bring it in. So I know I sprayed it already, but yeah. So I am so excited. This bottle is going to be used. I love this. It's not warm, but it's perfect. Like it reminds me of, like I told you guys before, like a really good peach, and so it's giving me spring, summer. We'll see if this lasts until the summer. I'll probably have to get some more. But yeah, so I think Keandra's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and go. And of course you guys are gonna come along.
That'd be cute with some wide leg pants. I love the funnel leg too. That's cute. Turn test to us. Yes. Who doesn't like pockets?
It's cute adjacent.
Cute adjacent.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
I don't know.
You don't like how it's, I guess like.
My sleeves are bigger too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's cute. I think it would be cute though with like some wide leg pants. Look at me dressing Kim the way that I dress myself.
Or my barrel jeans.
Oh yeah, the barrel jeans.
These little drawstring things are always so confusing.
Oh yeah.
You never know how to get things back down. All these jackets are like, I feel like I'm bigger than what I feel like I am. Maybe.
I mean they do. It's got like some puffiness to it. Oh, okay. They're not reality.
Hey guys, so let's go ahead and get into our comment feature of the day. So today's comment comes from Nikki NG88. Hey Nikki, we love seeing Nikki on a lot of our lives. We just have so much fun. She's a really great addition to our community.
And she always gives the best fragrances.
Yeah, she does. She gives great tips on fragrances. Last time we actually mentioned how she put us on to the Finery. I can't remember the name of it, but the one that kind of...
I think I'm a Musk. I think it was that one. I'm a Musk.
Or is it a vanilla one?
The vanilla one. That's it.
That one.
Yep.
So Nikki said, "Happy Friday, Kim and Key. Love the vlog as always. Checking the site for that blue sweatshirt Kim had on. Love it. Finery now has body wash to match some of the fragrances. I think I saw some new scents as well. Did y'all get anything from the 222 KBB drop?" Okay, so let's go in order. So thank you again, Nikki, for commenting. So she said that she's checking the website. So if you don't remember, the sweatshirt that I had on was our navy blue winter shucks. What is the name of it? Let me look it up. Hold on.
Winter Wonderland.
I think it is called Winter Wonderland, but let me look it up because
y'all, there are so many and
gosh.
so many names.
I'm sorry. It's kind of like forgetting the name of your children. It's kind of like, how can you do that? I don't have children. So, I mean, I feel like I would probably do that if I had over 100 children.
What's your name? Get over here.
Yeah. So let's see. It is called Noire Winter.
Oh.
So she
Even
likes
better.
Noire Winter. Close. We were close. So this is the one that we'll probably put it up on the screen.
Yeah.
So that one is one of my favorites. Keandra and I love coats, and so we were like, we want to do fur coats and stuff like that. And I love how our illustrator, she put some things like in the background, kind of like her style is just so high fashion and it's just great. She is very collaborative, and like whenever we give her an idea, she'll reflect some of those ideas in the image, and I just really like that. Like it's not always like the actual image will be what we're asking for, but like she'll add, like if there's a advertisement or something like that on an inspiration or something like that, she'll put a JolieNoire advertisement somewhere in there, kind of making it just like what we envision. That and helps to brand our apparel. Love that. So that is Noire Winter in navy. So she also said that that Finery now has body washes to match the fragrances. I did not know that. I didn't know that. I have sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful, but I think it's very important to let you guys know that, because I like to match. I do like matching fragrances with the, like layering that way, but I just can't always do it because sometimes the strong fragrances and the strong things in the body washes are just too harsh for my skin. But if you're a person that loves the body washes, I'm gonna have to check them out and see, because maybe I can turn them to hand washes or like use them on the least sensitive parts of my body or something like that. I don't know, but I thank you for that tip though, Nikki. That's something that's great to point out. And then she asked us, and you know what? I didn't know I don't know if I saw new scents. No, I did see some things that I didn't like. I think they had a deep purple bottle. And so, but I kind of stuck with the things that I liked for Finery. But I got the Mix Bar. That's because like when we were over there in that section, I got the Mix Bar fragrance. I was like, I think I like this better than some of the newer things that I saw from Finery. But they have some, like the stuff at the body sprays at Target, they actually last. So like if you wear them by themselves, they actually last pretty long, and they layer well with like your better fragrances, like your perfumes and stuff like that. They do layer well with that stuff. And then she asked if we got anything from the 222 KBB drop. So we didn't get anything. I haven't even looked to see. I've told everybody on our, was it on our live or was it on Alicia's live? I can't remember, but I was like, I'm going on a low buy.
Oh, that was on Delicious.
Oh, Delicious. Okay, I'm going on a low buy. They're all on no buys, but I'm like, I'm going on a low buy here soon.
Because I still be wanting stuff.
Because I've got to buy something. But as far as the KBB, I haven't looked. I think I have all the things that I, wanted from the initial drops that I saw. If I see anything kind of lingering around, I'll probably, see if I get something from that. Because I haven't seen like any spring stuff or anything like that. But I have enough jeans. I don't need any more pants.
We just needed those coats.
Yeah, those coats. Mm-hmm. And then having some of those jeans, those satisfied like some of the holes in my wardrobe. But yeah, I'm trying to get out of the habit of buying stuff just because I like it. Like I have a whole closet full of stuff that I need to purge. Because there was a point that I bought stuff just because I liked it, not because I needed it per se. So I need to kind of look through and see what can be kept, what what I no longer need, what's no longer my style and stuff. So I need to slow down before I add anything else in.